Okay, back to the code. There's one other thing we can add to this as a demonstration on what else can we do on the daily chart. Let's take a look at a daily chart of the ES, and what I applied to this daily chart of the ES is a moving average, a 200 period moving average. And you'll see this in a lot of my articles and other videos, that what I like to do on a daily chart is divide the market into a bullish or bearish mode. And the most simple way to do that is with a 200 period simple moving average. So when price is above, we're going to consider it bullish and we're going to take long trades. And when it's below it, like in this area here, this is in our 2008 period, when it's below it, we're going to ignore our long trades. Very simple concept, but the point here is, how do we access this information again on an intraday chart? Well, very simple. We all know that data 2 is containing our daily data on an intraday chart. So what we're going to do is add a flag. Let's call this bullish flag. Define this, default this to false. And let's add this condition. Let's set our bullish flag to true or false based on what? The closing price on the 15-minute chart. Is it above the moving average? Data 2, right? With a 200 period. So what is this? What is this saying? What we're going to do is compute a simple moving average of 200 on data 2. Data 2 is our daily chart, so this is a 200-day simple moving average. And the closing price on the 15-minute chart must be above the 200 period moving average right here. So in other words, we're going to stop trading when it's below it and start or resume trading when it's above it. And that's how easy that is to access that information there. Now let's add this as a condition. I'll just add it to the front here. So if bullish flag and all our other conditions. I can see I have a spelling error here. Let me just lazy, cut, paste. Cut, paste. Yeah, that's correct. So not only do we need a bullish market, we need a pullback in that bullish market on a daily time frame and an intraday time frame. So we're following one of the basic tenets of a trading style of the market. We're going to look for a bullish type market, and we're going to buy that pullback. And we're going to drill down to a 15-minute chart with this indicator, and we're going to look for a pullback on an intraday time frame within our other rules. So what does this look like? Well, you saw it at the beginning, but let's go take a look. All right, our chart's refreshing. I'm going to pause this until it's complete. Okay, and here we are. Again, of course, it looks very similar. A few trades. Let's take a look at the performance report. All right, we're actually positive. Now, of course, this is covering the last 12 years or so. It's not a great system. It does 1.6 profit factor. It makes $6,000. It does that in 82 trades. And it's averaging about $83 per trade. Of course, this doesn't include commissions or slippage. Performance graph looks something like this. Is this a complete system? Obviously not. I just threw together literally 2 RSI calculations, threw in a stop loss, threw in an exit, which was exit on close, and was able to generate something like this because I was able to access data on a higher time frame and use that as a filter. And you could see how easy it was to do that with TradeStation's EasyLanguage by just designating the variable with the keyword data 2, which contains our higher time frame, and then during those calculations that you want to grab data from those higher time frames using that same data 2 keyword. So you can see the power in this, and we're following basic market principles of buying a pullback within an uptrend. And I suppose there's thousands of ways to define such things. And of course, this could be the seed of a very good trading system. You can use different entries, different exits. You can time exits. You can look at trends. You can look at ticks as well to help filter or help improve this. But I hope this helps you out in understanding how to access different time frames within a single chart. Now, of course, this doesn't limit you to just data 2. You can go to data 3 and 4, and I believe you can go all the way up to 99. I haven't looked at that in a long time. I never go beyond 2 or 3 at the absolute most, but nothing's stopping you technically from using loading different time frames. One thing you may have difficulty is loading different symbols and different types of bars. In other words, very difficult to mix tick with a minute, for example. But I hope this helps get you going on this aspect of TradeStation of accessing different time frames within one chart. Thanks a lot. Till next time.